How to log out from Binance account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Binance account. To log out from your Binance account, first of all, you will need to open your Binance application on your mobile device, and here make sure you have access to your account. Now once you reach to this page, here at the top left, you will find Binance icon. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to the account center. Here you will be able to see your profile page. Tap on your profile name and then you will reach to this page. In this page, you will be able to see logout button at the bottom right. Now you just simply have to tap on this logout button, and once you do so, you will be successfully logged out from your Binance account. As you can see, you have successfully logged out from your Binance account. Now in the top, you can see login or sign up button. Now in order to log into your account, you need to tap on login and use your credentials in order to access your Binance account again. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Binance account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.